Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad. And if you want a post notification shout out or a shout out at the end of my video, all you gotta do is be the first to comment and have your post notifications on, or you can join the Patreon squad. So today, ew, I have a hair in my mouth. Ew. So today I'm gonna go to Azusa Canyon. I'm actually late, guys. I'm late. They were gonna leave at 2 and it's already 2:10. But they said that they will wait for me till 2:30. So I'm good. I'm good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this process and I'll show you guys once we're on our way to the mountain. Or once we're all rolling together. Let's get it, guys. Let's go because I am in a motherfucking rush, my boy. Let's go. Because if it looks pretty calm up there and chill, then I might do some donuts for you guys. I freaking love doing donuts, even though I'm not that good at it, but you know, doesn't hurt to practice some more. We're trying to go faster, but the puro truquendos are in front of us and we can't really drive all that fast right now. It's a little slow out here. It's a little, look at, you see, puro truquendo. It's so beautiful today though, like beautiful. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just a perfect day. I'm holding my GoPro and I'm also tugging, so I can't really film with one hand and shift. So it's a little hard, guys. It's a little hard. It's hard out here in the streets, man. It's hard out here. I freaking love the canyons. They're so beautiful and peaceful and ooh, what the heck? Looks like a, whoa, looks like a beast. The turbo echo is such a vibe, guys. Since I don't got no damn turbo, over here up in Nelson. Forza real life right here. Forza real life. Oh my god, they're leaving me in the dust. They're leaving me in the dust. Ooh. I slide. Guys, before we came up here, I prayed for everyone because I know it's hella dangerous up here. Ooh, that backfire. That was lit. That was lit. Please do it again. Ooh. Thank you. All right, so we made it. We made it in one piece. Z Squad. Ooh.
Do a donut.
No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I'm waiting for some action. Hey. Yeah, I'll cut your hair. I'll push your line back.
Oh, those mine's right there.
Oh.
It's a gas leak. It's a small one. I'm like,
oh, no way.
Donuts?
And I was trying to do some donuts. I don't know if I still am. Still debating.
I say to be safe, don't do it. Because if it catches on fire, my fire extinguisher doesn't work anymore. I just have it in the trunk just for
hey, who's playing this music? It's lit. I'm gonna get copyright though, so I need to turn it off. Go, dance. Do a dance move. What are you guys doing? Explain.
It's a raffle.
Oh my gosh.
Canyon Cruise. It's our 9th one. And
No height.
Yeah.
76.
No quema cut, la mama whiskey. Damn, he whipping. Put it work. This guy might do it. Stand up. Oh no, he's leaving. Oh, okay. I thought he was leaving, but he came back. Noise. How cute. A little Miata. Oh, so cute. Ooh, let's go.
Swing it?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just because I'm a little scared. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, love tap. It's a love tap. Is it okay? I think gas is coming out of his car.
No, that's like where it's just going to turn down. Push it. That's how we're going. What's wrong with it? I got out there to the gas.
Mamalona! Whoa, I look weird. Huh?
I say go for it.
Go for it. There's a small problem with my Z right now, but I did want to come up here to do some donuts. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I don't want my car to mess up right here. Oh, that Subi's nice. That Subi's clean, that green one. Look at that green Subi. Damn. Hey, save my parking spot. Nah. Oh, to grab the cut. Looks so nice. I'm gonna try to, I'm not gonna go right here. I'm gonna go more that way because I don't like it right here. Let's go. Okay. see, yeah. Okay, there. Ah shit, time for new tires.
Oh yeah.
Guys, this is the road that we take. Look, all the way down there, like, ooh. Oh, look, a bike. Damn. Must be nice. Oh my god, I look like a mess. Guys, I can't wait to throw my own meet here one day. We can all drift and do well, not drift. I can't drift, I don't know how to drift, but we can all do some donuts and have some fun. I could bring some snacks and just have a good time, man. Just vibing. Look how many people there is. This is actually pretty cool. I'm so glad I came. Nelson needs new tires. Andy, where you at? Andy, where you at? This Subi though, I really like this color. It go hard. Oh, little Miata, is it gonna go? How cute! It's gonna go. Oh, so cute. Woohoo! And it's a girl in there, guys. It's a girl in there. Look at her. I'm gonna stare at her. Let's go. Damn, let's go. She got my cut. Sheesh. Noise. Uh-oh, guys, the helicopter. No way, the helicopter's here. Oh shit, let's go see. Oh damn, this looks beautiful. Look at it. The car and the sky. Like, it was just beautiful. Looks nice. A bike flew off. I've never seen a helicopter land like this. Whoa. Oh, I should get my other zoom lens.
Guy fell off a motorcycle. They look best?
No way.
There's like a bunch of motorcycles right there and some cars.
Wait, say it again? Just kidding.
CNN with Manny. Alright, get this.
We got a ripper. He's on accident.
PF1! I was just burning out on the bare rim. Right. That's how you feel, dog? Yeah, that's like, oh my god.
So we were just chilling, watching a guy do some donuts. He came out of nowhere, and then boom, the freaking helicopter came, and he was like, "You guys have to leave." You guys saw the footage. I thought it was kind of cool. It did kind of suck, but I thought it was pretty cool how we got to see the helicopter up close. It was pretty sick. It was pretty sick. I still see him up there. He's telling everybody to get the hell out of here. He's like, "You guys better go. I have some tow trucks at the bottom waiting for you guys." And I was like, "Oh, how?" And I was like, "I'm scramming." So I scrammed like an egg. Yeah, so I'm driving kind of careful though because I'm on wire right now. So I'm driving a little safe, a little slow. Ooh, guys. to get something to eat. About to get some Chinese food. Hopefully it smacks. My scrumptious food. The only thing I ate this morning was a PB&J. So, about to grub. I'm about to go in. Damn, look at him. He's going in with the food. Got tacos. What's that one guy that could eat a lot? Matt Stoney.
Nah. Why would I pay somebody good money for orange peel, motherfucker? Just talking shit, fool. You can't even afford my transmission.
Oh. If you made it this far, make sure to comment a mother freaking helicopter, because there was a freaking cop helicopter. Before I end off this video, I do want to give it a few shout outs, and the first shout out goes out to my Patreon squad. Thank you so much, Keith Bennett. Welcome to the mother freaking Patreon squad. Post notification shout out goes out to Hashim K. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace out.
Chopper right beneath me. AK with the fucking beam, yeah, 3 beat, smoking on that